Okay, so this is, I guess this is week 8 of the class, though I can't remember now. I'm pretty sure it's week 8, but now I'm not 100% sure. Anyways, we are going to continue our discussion of separation of variables. We are going to look at a theorem about the convergence of Fourier series, and then once we have that theorem, we're going to kind of go back to solving partial differential equations with a slightly different perspective. One that after we kind of after we did some other work, we started with the original thing, or we started with our PDEs. We started doing this separation of variables thing that didn't seem like it would work, or might not. When we first started, maybe it wasn't something that it was clear would be working. But it all depended on the ability to which we could approximate or write an arbitrary function as a series of cosine and sine functions. And what we are going to see this week is that we can do that, and once we have that, that's actually going to allow us to change our perspective a little different and use something called eigenfunction expansions to solve these partial differential equations. And then we're actually going to generalize things even further into what's called the Sturm-Liouville eigenvalue problems. And these are going to be for more complicated differential equations, for more complicated partial differential equations. So we'll see a whole big general class of PDEs that we're going to be able to analyze and talk about using this method of Sturm-Liouville eigenvalue expansions. And it's going to be a little different. It's going to be a little more abstract than some of the stuff we've done so far. This week is going to be pretty technical in terms of the math, but it's something you guys can all deal with. Tests should be graded sometime this week as well. As always, I look forward to interacting with you guys in the discussion forums. I put a discussion question there. This week, I will as the week goes on, I will give you a little more and more information about how I might approach that problem as I sort of do different things on the computer and stuff like that. Okay, I'll see you guys in the discussion forums.